For those of you who have been following along, I thank you. But we're nearing the end. I'm gonna have to voice over this part. The audio got a little bit messed up. You can probably tell in some other clips. The autofocus is really loud on this camera. It was a setting thing. Anyway, so apologies for that. But I'm just trying to explain here how I shot the paint on, and I'm boasting probably how I purposely painted it with texture and put orange peel in it, and later I'm sure I'll explain what a mistake that was. And of course, the paint isn't perfect. You see tons of defects in it, and tons of defects in the bodywork. With the patina, that was kind of the point, and those spots will show through when I sand and put.
Now that it's all painted, I'm going to go ruin it.
I forget what else I'm saying. Just put tons of air through the gun, and it'll come up textured like this, if that's what you're going for. But yeah, not recommended. I think you can see it. Yeah, so this is my example here, right? Try to get this as close as I could to stock color of the truck. Right now it doesn't look very close, but we'll see. If I do it, I hate it all. I got a good base of green here that's all scuffed up, and I can paint over it again. Different color that I like. I'm also, I just Googled a picture of patina, so C10 patina, and look at a few of the trucks that are, to me, look naturally patinaed. Just copy them. Somebody explained once, or I heard of somebody say that looking at a certain patinaed truck, that it looked like a cow. So it's not what I'm going for. Just old truck. But let's get going. Okay, we are definitely on the right track. From back there, it looks pretty good. I quickly switched from Scotch-Brite to 220. Now up close, I'm pretty sure I'm seeing that in the viewfinder. I can see all the scratches. So it put a lot of scratches in. I just pretty quickly went over it. The orange peel on purpose was a mistake. Instinctively I knew that. It's just a reminder, always shoot it as flat and as best as you can. If I mistakenly put orange peel in it, I wouldn't feel so bad, but I purposely did it. And the sanding is knocking off the high stuff, but the valleys are still shiny. So it's dulling it up. And again, from what is that, 20 feet away, even 10 feet away, I don't think you can even see the scratches and all that. But I get up close, and it looks like there's something wrong with it. And you know, the paint will maybe all fade in eventually anyway. And then of course this needs to be sealed. So clear coated, or I'll probably do a linseed oil, and which may just fill out everything in, and you never know, right? Because when it's wet, you can't see it for anything. I'm going to go over it again horizontally. I don't know if on camera you saw me doing circles. I think that was just for your benefit. Always one direction, or diagonal, or the other, because you want to see if you're taking the scratches out. So I'll go opposite, east-west instead of north-south, and see what that does. Let's see the other side. So if you're getting seasick. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. So this is what happens when you sand it with your fingers, not a sanding block. So, yeah. But again, not super horrible. See the below the water line I haven't done yet. So you can see the difference. More sanding will just improve that. But man, you can really see the finger grooves. I'll keep it up, bring you along. But I'm very happy. That's what I'm going for. There's the door. So that means I started, that was pretty much all green, right? And I haven't done the fender yet, so. Oh, there's a good before and after. Cool. Okay, I went over with 400 wet, and I didn't get all the vertical scratches out, but I've changed it up back to the Scotch-Brite dry. And I'm just going to show you, you can see, sure on camera, the low spots. The sandpaper's just not getting in there. So go in, again, green Scotch-Brite, and I can kind of force my finger in there. And up here are you, yeah, I think just at the top of the screen, orange peely, and almost like a magic eraser, it's erasing it. Now I'm probably filling it with dust, but on camera, it's erasing it. The 220 might have been a mistake, a little aggressive. I was trying to get rid of the orange peel, but, or maybe for whatever reason, it put some deeper scratches in. But 400 is quite a jump, it's all I had, but in retrospect, which is all I have, should have started with 400. And this Scotch-Brite's getting a little wore out. So, a little water there still. But, oh, here. I hope you were focused for that. Oop. I'll bring it back. Still on the right track. Let me bring you around to the other side. Again, you can see the difference on the front fender to the door. All right. There's a lot of shine on there right now. Still wet. But it's as far as I'm gonna take it. That's direct sunlight too. But yeah, let's get back in the shade. So it's a little shiny for me. I'm hoping it'll let's just give this camera a second. There, that's better. Yeah, it's a little shiny right now. I'm hoping it'll tame down a bit. But, yeah, what was I saying? The videos are getting... We're definitely coming to the end. Truck's running good. There might be a couple more, but I don't know if I shared yet. This is phase 1 of this build. And it may stay with that phase 1. But we'll see how I like it. The truck's fun to drive. It's I shouldn't be a surprise, but it doesn't ride that well. Rides like an old truck. So there may be some, I may have to improve it. And I can do highway speed. I live on a drag strip, by the way. What was I saying? Yeah, 2-lane roads, comfortable. It's what it was meant for. Getting on the highways and in the flow with modern traffic. It can keep up, but I feel like it's just the engine screaming and I'm just abusing it. So, you know, that's easily remedied with money, but I don't know if this is for me. The fun of the truck is it's inline 6 engine and the 3 on the tree for me, and the manual steering and the no power brakes. Oh, the brakes are perfect, by the way. I did nothing to them other than what you saw in the videos. Balance was perfect. Did an emergency stop. It's just, I mean, you really got to stand on it, but it's just straight stop. And for drum brakes, I think it's not a bad feel. It's just you really have to stand on it. But yeah. I'll close it out for the patina. Of course, I always tack something on the end, but yeah, you know, I might show a picture of maybe the next day, kind of when the linseed oil has dried out a bit, but it's not bad. It's not bad now, but definitely got the wet look. But we'll see. I could get a dry cloth and wipe off the excess lens, you know, but at this point I just wanted to soak in. And yeah, it's not a bad idea. But we'll see. We'll see. But again, thanks for watching. I couldn't resist. I wiped it down with a dry rag. And it's looking better. A little more satin.